today we're doing a video unboxing of the Lesenikov tarot, and it's a 1930s reproduction that I got from a site called pyroskin.com. And I'd spotted this deck on a friend's Instagram feed, and what drew me in was, as you can see, the major arcana cards have this darker background which really makes them stand out. That and the fact that I love this era artwork. So let's have a look and see what we find. So it comes with a little white book, and let's see what language we've got in the white book. So it's, I think it's Czech, it's not English. So that's not going to be much good to me, unfortunately. Here we've got the card back, so let me get this out of the cellophane. So yellow and red card backs, and they look fully reversible as far as I can tell. So let's just have a look through the cards. So we've got, it starts with the Magician, not the Fool, and we've got the Aleph there. So this is not the Golden Dawn system of correspondences. So we've got, yeah, Gimel. And then, yeah, so for the Empress instead of the High Priestess. I have a little project during Lent, and that is to learn the Hebrew alphabet. I don't know it by heart yet. I know all the other correspondences off by heart, so you can show me any tarot card and I'll tell you, according to the Golden Dawn, what the astrological planetary correspondences, time correspondences in the Wheel of the Year, etc., etc. But for some reason I never got around to learning the Hebrew letters, to my great shame. So I thought I shall do that now. They're stunning. I'm really happy. The cardstock, I must say, isn't fantastic. It's quite flimsy, but I don't mind. I think the finish is great. It's a matte finish. Oh, I'm so happy with the images though. Oh my goodness. Yes. And so Shin for the Fool. So that's usually attributed in the Golden Dawn to the Judgment card, if I remember correctly. So that's that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? For the Ace of Wands there. So Marseille style pips or number cards, as you can see, which I don't mind. I love Marseille style decks. And we're on to the court cards. So that's the Page, Knight, Queen. So we've got Leo there, so she looks like a Leo queen. We've got Leo there as well for the king, so I don't know. Cups. Ooh, how pretty is that Two of Cups? Oh, I love that. Oh, very pretty. All of the cups. Oh, skipped a card. That's 9. We don't want to skip the wish card. Is that a little fishy? Yeah, that's a little fishy coming out of his cup. So that's a nod to the Rider-Waite. Oh, right. Sorry about that. We've got the Queen there. I love the colours, the purple and the turquoise there for her and for the king. Ah, oh, so beautiful, the aces. Look at that Ace of Swords. and the Knight. Yeah, I really like these court cards. Very nice. And we're on to the coins of Pentacles. Super duper. Oh, look at that. Page of Pentacles. What bird is that? That looks like a pelican. I could be wrong. And Queen and King of Pentacles. And these were the card backs. Get a proper look at them. Right, so I hope you enjoyed seeing these reproduction cards. And if you're still here, I've got a little giveaway. I got a job lot of cards off eBay, and there was one deck in that lot that I didn't really get on with, but someone else might. So leave a comment if you would like to receive this deck in the post, and subscribe to my newsletter on angelorum.co, please, because I will be announcing the winner in the newsletter next weekend. And you will also get this little book with beginner card meanings that I got with another job lot that I don't really have any use for. If you don't need the book, just let me know and I'll just send you the deck. But yeah, or if, tell you what, comment below with which of these two items you would like to receive, one or the other or both, and I'll sort something out. We'll do it that way. Okay, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye for now.